Hi kids, it's Blippi here. I'm so excited to see you all today. Do you know why? Because today we're going to have so much fun learning something very important. Can you guess what it is? That's right. We're going to learn how to clean our rooms and make them super tidy and organized. Doesn't that sound like a great idea? Let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to clean our rooms. Cleaning our rooms is not just about making them look nice. It's also about creating a space where we can play, learn, and relax without any mess. When our rooms are clean, we feel happier and more comfortable. Plus, it's easier to find our favorite toys and books when everything is in its place. So, let's dive into the world of cleaning and organizing. Cleaning our rooms is important. It helps us stay healthy by getting rid of dust and germs. When we dust our shelves and vacuum the floor, we're making sure that our room is a safe and clean place to be. And guess what? Cleaning can be fun too. We can turn it into a game, or even listen to our favorite music while we clean. Let's see how we can make cleaning an enjoyable activity. A clean room is a happy room. When our room is clean, we feel proud of ourselves. It's like we've accomplished something really important. And the best part is, we can invite our friends over to play without worrying about any mess. A tidy room makes everyone feel welcome and happy. So, let's keep our rooms clean and make them a happy place to be. When our rooms are clean, we can find our toys easily. Imagine looking for your favorite toy car or doll and finding it right away because everything is in its place. No more searching through piles of toys or clutter. Everything has a home, and we know exactly where to find it. This means more time to play and have fun with our toys. Isn't that awesome? We can play without mess. A clean room gives us more space to play and be creative. We can build amazing structures with our blocks, draw beautiful pictures, or even have a dance party without tripping over anything. A tidy room means more room for fun and imagination. So let's keep our play area clean and enjoy all the wonderful activities we love to do. It's so much fun to have a clean space. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. We can make it a fun activity by turning it into a game. We can race against the clock to see how fast we can put away our toys, or challenge ourselves to make our bed perfectly. We can even involve our family and friends to make it a team effort. The more we clean, the more fun we have and the happier we feel. Are you ready to clean with Blippi? Let's go! Together we can make cleaning an exciting adventure. We'll start with small steps and work our way up to a perfectly clean room. Remember, every little bit helps. And before we know it, our room will be sparkling clean. So, grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started on this fun journey to a tidy and happy room. We can start by making our beds. A neatly made bed makes the whole room look better. We can arrange our pillows and blankets nicely, and it only takes a few minutes. Plus, it's a great way to start our cleaning routine. Once our bed is made, we'll feel motivated to keep going and tackle the rest of the room. Let's make our beds and see how great they look. Then, we can put away our toys. Every toy has a special place where it belongs. We can use toy boxes, shelves, or bins to keep everything organized. Putting our toys away after playing helps us keep our room tidy and makes it easier to find them next time. Let's make a game out of it and see how quickly we can put all our toys in their proper places. Next, we'll learn how to clean up our clothes. We can fold our clothes neatly and put them in drawers or hang them in the closet. This keeps our room looking neat and makes it easier to find our favorite outfits. We can even sort our clothes by color or type to make it more fun. Let's take a few minutes to tidy up our clothes and see how much better our room looks. Cleaning our rooms is easy and fun. With a little bit of effort and a positive attitude, we can turn cleaning into an enjoyable activity. We can set a timer and see how much we can clean in a short amount of time, or we can reward ourselves with a fun activity after we're done. The more we practice, the better we get at keeping our rooms clean. So, let's make cleaning a part of our daily routine and enjoy the benefits of a tidy and happy room. Look at all these clothes! It's laundry time! We have so many clothes to sort through and it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. First, we sort our clothes. Sorting is important because it helps us keep our clothes looking their best. We don't want our favorite shirt to get ruined, do we? We can make 3 piles. This makes it easier to wash them properly. Each pile has a special purpose. One pile for light clothes. Light clothes include things like white shirts, light-colored socks, and anything that is pale in color. These need to be washed separately to keep them bright and clean. One pile for dark clothes. Dark clothes are things like black pants, navy blue shirts, and other dark items. Washing these together helps prevent them from fading. And one pile for colorful clothes. These are our bright and fun clothes, like red shirts, green pants, and yellow dresses. Keeping them together helps maintain their vibrant colors. Sorting helps our clothes stay bright and new. When we sort our clothes, we make sure that each type gets the right kind of wash. This way, they last longer and look better. We don't want colors to mix in the wash. That's silly. Imagine if your white shirt turned pink because it was washed with a red sock. That would be funny, but not very nice for your shirt. Can you help Blippi sort these clothes? Blippi loves to keep things organized, and with your help, we can make sure everything goes in the right pile. Let's put all the white socks in the light pile. White socks are easy to spot, and they belong with the other light clothes. The blue jeans go in the dark pile. Jeans are usually dark, and they need to be washed with other dark clothes to keep them looking good. And the red shirts go in the color pile. Red shirts are bright and colorful, and they need to be washed with other colorful clothes to keep their color from fading. Great job, everyone! Sorting clothes is an important step in doing laundry, and you did it perfectly. Now our clothes are ready for the wash, and they'll come out looking fresh and clean. Thanks for helping. Now that our clothes are sorted, we can wash them. Sorting clothes is an important first step. We separate them by colors and types to make sure they get cleaned properly. Whites go in one pile, darks in another, and delicates in a separate one. This helps prevent colors from mixing and keeps our clothes looking their best. It's like organizing a big puzzle, and it makes the washing process much easier and more efficient. Let's go to the laundry room. The laundry room is where all the magic happens. It's a special place in our home dedicated to cleaning our clothes. Here, we have all the tools and supplies we need to make sure our clothes come out fresh and clean. It's like a mini workshop for laundry. This is a washing machine. It's like a big bathtub for our clothes. The washing machine is an amazing invention that helps us clean our clothes quickly and efficiently. It has different settings for different types of fabrics and levels of dirtiness. We can choose the right setting to make sure our clothes are washed gently and thoroughly. We put our clothes in the washing machine. We add special soap. The soap, or detergent, is specially formulated to remove dirt and stains from our clothes. It works with the water to break down and lift away all the grime, leaving our clothes fresh and clean. It's important to use the right amount of detergent to avoid oversudsing and to ensure our clothes are properly rinsed. The soap helps clean our clothes. There are different types of detergents, like liquid, powder, and pods. Each type has its own benefits, and we can choose the one that works best for our laundry needs. Some detergents are even designed to be gentle on sensitive skin or to be environmentally friendly. Remember to always ask a grown-up before using the washing machine. The washing machine can be a bit tricky to operate, and it's important to make sure we're using it safely. Grown-ups can help us choose the right settings and make sure we're using the machine correctly. Safety first. It's important to stay safe. Safety is always our top priority when doing laundry. We should never play with the washing machine or try to operate it without adult supervision. By following the rules and being careful, we can make sure our laundry time is both fun and safe. After the washing machine, the clothes go in the dryer. The dryer is another fantastic machine that helps us finish the laundry process. It uses heat and motion to dry our clothes quickly and efficiently. We need to transfer the wet clothes from the washing machine to the dryer carefully to avoid dropping them. The dryer spins the clothes around and around. The spinning action helps to remove excess water from the clothes, and the heat helps to evaporate the remaining moisture. It's like a warm, windy day inside the dryer, making our clothes dry and ready to wear. It uses warm air to dry the clothes. The warm air is gentle on the fabrics and helps to fluff up the clothes, making them soft and comfortable. We can even add a dryer sheet to help reduce static and add a fresh scent to our laundry. When the dryer is done, our clothes are clean and dry. Now we can fold them and put them away, ready to wear for another day. Doing laundry is an important chore that helps us take care of our clothes and keep them looking their best. And with a little help from our grown-ups, we can do it safely and efficiently. Wow, our clothes are clean and smell so good! Now it's time to fold them. Folding our clothes keeps them neat and tidy. First, we lay the shirt flat. Then we fold the sides in. Next, we fold the bottom up. And finally, we fold the top down. We can fold pants too. We lay the pants flat, fold them in half, then fold them in half again. Folding clothes is like a puzzle. It's so much fun. Section 5 Super Sheets Changing Our Bedding. Let's be superheroes and change our bed sheets. First, we take off the old sheets. Then we put on the new fitted sheet. It goes on the mattress like a giant hug. Next comes the top sheet. We make sure it's nice and smooth. Finally, we put the blanket on top. Don't forget the pillowcases. They go on the pillows like cozy hats. Changing our bed sheets makes our bed super comfy. Our toys love to play, but when playtime is over, it's time for them to go back to their homes. We can put our stuffed animals in a big basket. We can line up our cars in a row. We can stack our blocks in a tower. Putting our toys away keeps our room neat and organized. It also helps us find our favorite toys quickly. Look at all this dust. Dust bunnies are hiding everywhere. It's time to use our secret weapon, the vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is like a big friendly monster that eats dust bunnies. We push it around the room and it sucks up all the dirt and dust. We can vacuum the carpets, the rugs, and even the hard floors. The vacuum cleaner helps keep our room clean and healthy. Wow, look at our room now. It's so clean and sparkly. We did an amazing job. Cleaning our room makes us feel good. It's a fun way to take care of ourselves and our things. When our room is clean, we can relax and enjoy our space. We can read a book, play a game, or just spend time with our favorite toys. Cleaning our rooms is important. We should clean our rooms every week. We can make cleaning fun by singing songs while we clean. We can also ask our friends to help us clean. Cleaning is more fun with friends. Remember, a clean room is a happy room. Keep on cleaning, everyone.